Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can fetch device motion sensor data from an iOS device with Swift. So as usual, you need to know that there is a link to source code of the project in comments. Yeah, let's start our project. So we will go to file, actually in Xcode, we will go into file and file, new project, single view app. And here we name it iOS Swift, and yeah, core motion device motion 01. Yeah, and yeah, I put it in this directory and create a set exists. Yes, go ahead and replace it for me with a brand new app. But before I start to doing anything, actually going to for yeah, I'll go to Safari, and here I'll show you information from developer app apple.com that's give you information about device motion. Even there is a sample code, but they use the timer to make it, but we don't use that because there is a interval update inside uh, motion CoreMotion for this. And so all about we will get three parameter for device motion for pitch, roll, and yaw. Okay, so let's go to our main storyboard, and here I start to adding first of all, I put one label. So this label, I go to attribute tabs and I say, yeah, this one say core motion device motion, and yeah, I give it color. Blue, and also I make font size to be something like 24 and to be center. Also I add two constraints to keep wide and height for that as it is. Okay, and now I need to add my text field. Yeah, here you go, my text field. I'm gonna make the first one and then make copy of that for other two. So this one, just say background color. I like to be, for example, this color, and also I say keep size. I add two constraints to keep the size as it is. So Command C and Command V. Make a copy of that for me. I'll just change background color, for example, to pink, and then I come to size inspector, and here I say yes in 50 but in 200, for example 80. Yes, and make 50 something like 45, 40. And I make another copy, Command V, and again just let me, I'm here, so I make size, so 40 and 300, maybe 320. Yeah, and I'll come here and I just change background color for that. Okay, now I select all of these four items. Yeah, and I say editor, embed in StackView. So I make all of them in one StackView, and now for my StackView I make it to be horizontal and vertically centered. And yeah, now I need to open Assistant Editor and connect these three text field to my controller. It's supposed to sit here, so I make some room here and start from the first one. Control drag, yeah, come here, and I name it X, for example, motion. This one, control drag here, and it's gonna be Y motion, and this one, control drag here, it's gonna be Z motion. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna close Assistant Editor. I go to my view controller. Okay, here what I need to import my CoreMotion. So here I just say var motion equal CMM, actually MMotionManager. And yeah, here I need to make one function, so I make a function. I name this function my device motion, no parameter, no return type, and here I start from motion dot, yeah, DeviceMotionUpdateInterval. I say 0.5, and also I say motion dot start DeviceMotionUpdates. So motion, yeah, updates, but you know I need to pick up this one with you know OperationQueue and to OperationQueue and handler. So to OperationQueue I just say okay, yeah, OperationQueue dot current, excuse me. And for handler you just tap enter here, so here you can handle it with data and error. So here in this code, what you're gonna write, first of all I'm gonna print this data as any in console, and also I just say if I was able to read through data from this data, run this block of the code. So what is this? First of all I just say self dot view dot reload import views, and then I'm gonna make my data. So I just say let m pitch equal my true data dot equal my true data. Yes, that here I need to get attitude. Yeah, and don't give it to me, there is something wrong. Yeah, here I need to add one question exclamation mark. Yeah, so now here I get attitude. Make sure that you know Xcode help you, otherwise there is something wrong in your code. Okay, so I get pitch of that, and let motion, for example, roll equal true data dot attitude dot roll, and let m at yellow equal true data dot attitude dot yeah. Okay, so now it's time to update you know, our text fields. So I just say self dot Xmotion dot text equal quotation. I just say pitch is backslash s, and here I just use double to get this value, but pitch, yes, but you know, this there's a, you know, long number, so to make it short, here I just add one function to my double superclass, and here I just add rounded to just get how many digit of decimal you like. So here now I just call this function, and you can say whatever, I just say 3. Okay, so I make copy of this and make my Y and Z, so then maybe roll and yell, so M roll and Z, sorry, M, yeah. Okay, so now we have app fully ready. Yes, so now after we're done, you need to make sure in view did load, call this function as this, and then run your app, not in simulator, in real device, because in simulator you don't have data for sense from sensor, as there is no sensor, and here you will get, you know, update data, you get it from you get it on console. Here we print data as any here, so you here also we update device, so actually I did you know, text field, so I'm gonna show you. Yes, here you are, you will see all information about DeviceMotion. So if again, if you have any question about the DeviceMotion, you can go to documentation of Apple, developer.apple, and here about DeviceMotion, all information you can find it here. And so what kind of information you will get, even you have sample code here. And yeah, so here you go, output in a real device, and you will see in both landscape and portrait mode it's work pretty fine, and you have numbers that changing every half a second. Yeah, that's all for today. If anybody now asks you, did you work with CoreMotion? You will say yes, I do. Okay, I wish the best for you, and I hope you like this video. If you like it, please make sure to give it thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. And any question, please ask in comments, and I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.